Okay, so today we're going to talk about AWS Copilot. So Copilot's interesting because it's not really an AWS service. It's an CLI app which you can use to provision a number of AWS services. It's something that's important to have awareness of for the exam, but you're not likely to have any in-depth questions on Copilot, or at least I haven't seen any so far. So to use it, you simply type Copilot in it. You can create a project, and that project will create a number of AWS resources like load balancers, ECS Fargate to run your containers serverlessly, and databases using RDS. It will sort out Route 53 records for you as well, and use ACM to create certificates. So essentially, it's giving you an easy way to deploy applications. It also integrates with CodePipeline, so you can have automated deployments, and you can have those automated deployments come from various branches within your code base. So if you're using GitHub or Bitbucket, you can have automatic deployments to your test environments, to dev environments, based on branches or tags within your repository. As I say, a full-featured CI/CD pipeline is deployable using CodePilot. It's a very easy way to get started. In reality, it can get a bit limiting though if you need to do something outside of what it provides. So it's a good way to get started, but maybe not the way to continue after a certain point. It does have built-in monitoring, which is very nice. Uses CloudWatch metrics and alarms for that, and also CloudWatch logs for logging. Until next time, here's a nice summary for you. Enjoy the cloud.